Look, it's new breed.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So for today, we will be going to Hong Kong. So I'll be going to Hong Kong with my workmates. So this is an all expense paid trip by my work. So I've been with them for almost 4 years already. And then we always celebrate Thanksgiving. But for this year, we're all going to Hong Kong. So let's go to the airport because our flight is around 7 and it's already 3 a.m. So I should be there at 4. So let's go.
See to get home. No need for either of us at this point to sleep alone. 'Cause I don't mind.
Wow! Unboxing. So may pag-gift sa atin, may pag-gift pack at pinipilit kaming mag-unbox. So yun, nakamic pa tayo. Salamat DJI. Okay. First, may pa-pouch. Wow, ako lang, wait lang, meron na ba nag-unbox? Okay, sige. Baka ako lang yung bida-bida dito. Okay, let's see what's inside the pouch. Okay, so may pa-alcohol. It's a must. And may wipes. Okay, next. Woo! May pa-pack! Look, it's new breed. And the box. Personalized. Okay, so gamitin natin siya. May luggage tag with new breed. Yahoo! And card. And passport na lalagyan. So we are already at the gate, but I think our flight is a bit delayed because it was supposed to be at 7:10, but it's already 7:20 and we're not yet boarding. So hopefully it wouldn't be that delayed. Kasi antok na ako, par. Boarded and kasi ganito nga yun. Gusto ko yung pili. Ayoko na tuloy mag-vlog. So anyway, naka-board na kami sa plane. Hindi naman nakakainis yung mga seatmates ko. Ayaw supportahan yung vlogging career ko. So yun lang. See you there. See you Hong Kong. Here, finally here. After 1 hour na delay, we are finally here. So, we've been looking for the bus. Mga ilang minutes na kami naghahanap ng bus. At hindi namin siya mahanap hanggang ngayon. So, good luck to us. So, our bus is finally here. Tama ang aming bus stop. Salamat kay Bri. It arrived.
Kain. Ginugutom po kami dito sa
Hindi na kami makapag-isip ng tama. Let's go! Hong Kong!
Oh my God, ito na. Uy! Okay. So we're just buying water sa convenience store below our hotel. Ano? Ay, hindi natin na-check yung ref natin. Baka hindi nakasaksak. So we are going to TST. My vlogmates. And we're gonna have our lunch and dinner. Bakit ba? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And maybe breakfast for tomorrow as well. So So, that's it. Nakakaawa kami this trip kasi parang bilang na bilang lang yung kain. But let's go. Let's go, team!
Card na lang natin tayo sa atin.
Nakakakaba. Ako na yung
Sinakabahan ako kasi sa immigration.
Nagawan niya ako kanina.
70 table.
Okay.
What drinks?
2 milk.
2 milk tea.
Ang bait. Ang bait naman.
We're on the way to meet up with the team again. Kasama ko si Sophie. Namili kami ng pabango at saka sa GU. Tapos naghiwalay-hiwalay muna kami. Tapos ngayon kikitain na namin sila para dun sa panoramic. Pwede na. Okay, let's go.
Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace.
Yes, morning! That's what babies we like.
Baby, just stay with me.
So it's our day 2 and we're going sa... Ano yung gagawin natin, Ariana? Ayun yung hop on, hop off, and yung peak tram. So that's our activity for today.
Never look back. Tied up bandana, Monterey to Montana, and a hand out the window. When surfing away. Oh, one of these days, wish I could get her to stay. She's out there now, can't tie her down. Can't count what I give to be with her. She'll pass through town, come back around, rolling in.
Guess the bill.
Ano na lang? 9.
9,000 pesos. Kayo, anong guess mo?
8,500.
Super excited.
501? Price is right.
Ikaw, ano sa'yo? 800?
Nakita ko na yung prices.
Ay, hindi yung final. Pero hindi pa natin makakompute total eh.
9.
8,900. Kayo?
Ako, 8,250.
Ikaw?
8,2.
Kayo?
Sa inyo dalawa lang?
Hindi, dito sa lahat.
9,3.
Okay. Ako, 8,522.
Send na lang sa akin.
7,000 sa'yo. Okay, sige. Okay, so ito na yung bill. I'm giving them another chance dahil mali. Sobra sa ano. Okay, go.
Sobra-sobra.
Hindi naman sobra lang.
15 ako, 15.
13,520.
Kami na
Gusto niyo yun.
Ikaw, 30,000. Wow! Grabe na po, baby!
11.7.
Okay, bill
Okay, I would like to say Bri. Wait lang. Tingnan natin yung exact. Oh, in fairness, may butal siya. So the bill is 11,058.22.
Okay.
Thanks, Bri.
Like the river, she's free as the wind. And I'm caught in love, caught in her love, caught in her love, caught in
Hi, guys. Mga busy sila.
Met her last summer at a Red Rock show. She was barefoot dancing in the 15th row.
So we're waiting for the bus. I guess we are.
Yeah, just watching her sweat. Feelings like that don't fade.
Our day 2.
Was a hell of a day. She's out there now, can't tie her down. Can't count what I give to be with her. She'll pass
Yung mga haters ko. Itong dalawang to yung mga haters.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Kada lalabas hi, vlog.
Puro intro na lang. So, pupunta na kami sa Victoria. Ano? Victoria? Joke.
Victoria Peak Tram.
Yeah, okay. So, with my haters.
Saan tayo?
Adi Taxis.
Gusto mo dito sa Ed? Gusto mo sa Ed? Ay, oh, sige.
Ay, hindi ko na nagre-record.
Ay, nandito. Seatmates ko naman mga haters ko.
Hello, vlog yun naman.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog din siya.
Ito na. Tapos yun sa'yo, oh my God. Hindi siya nakasali sa mukbang na umusap.
Cheers! Arte.
Combo na to na may paste, may carbs at sugar, so I guess.
Pero hindi masyadong
Enjoy ka naman dyan. Mukbang ng egg tart.
gusto nilang enjoyin yung part na. Sabi ko, parang kulang talaga ako ng 60. Ito, binigyan ko na siya ng 3 choices.
Ano yun sa'yo?
1, 2, or 3.
Okay, so ito yung kay Ariana. And then,
Okay.
mine, I want, oh, so cute, this one or this one. Yun yung options ko. So,
Wala may tayong binigyan.
how?
Wala, hindi pa din.
Okay, so this is mine. Whatever this is.
3, 2, 1,
Go! Ayoko muna tignan yung card. I won't look at the card. Let's see if nandito pa rin yung swerte ko sa vlog. So, ako yung Pikachu. Yahoo!
3, 2, 1, and go! Hindi ko
Although, I didn't get it, but it still stays.
Mukhang dito yung may hat.
Cute kaya mo.
Ang cute oh!
A present. Ayaw mo na? Ang gagawin ko dito.
Cute siya!
Sana worth it yung pag-aaniran ko sa 100. Ikaw nag-desisyon nito. Siya yan yung nag-desisyon nito, I guess. I'm so happy.
Girl, binigyan ko na siya ng 3 options. Hindi ako masaya. Ayoko mag-shop. Hindi ako masaya.
I'm so happy it's Stitch.
Hindi ako masaya, girl.
Well, side up. Hi vlog. We just realized sobrang importante ng footrest.
We just made a discovery. Nakita mo pakita mo.
So, ito yung footrest namin.
Tada! What a discovery! Hindi pa umiinom ka na ng gamot.
Tama. By Jessic lang.
Pati daw pala yung Ponstan.
By Jessic lang.
Eto na! See, tayo nga lang yung alert eh. Alert and enthusiastic. Okay, let's go. So, nagpa-fire alarm. Let's go. Okay. Wait lang, yung sapatos ko ga. Praning na praning. Meron pa siyang laptop as a schoolgirl. OM, ha? It's our day 3 and we're going to Hong Kong Disneyland. Uy, balis ng breakfast. We're buying breakfast. Hindi na natapos. Happy meal.
Dalawa yung binili ko. Isa lang.
So, isa lang naman tayo though. Going to Disneyland!
Hello, vlog! Hi, guys.
Kailangan ko na ng hello vlog counter. Hello vlog.
Getting older, but I still can't breathe a fire. 'Cause my world is on fire, but we're saying we're doing fine. I never thought I'd make it here past 25. Ooh, but maybe I just overthinking and wasting time. 'Cause I don't wanna know if I'm better off alone. I'm so happy when I'm sad, I make it up to you. 'Cause I just need to see what the hell it's supposed to mean, so I can make it better, make it.
So, magra-ride sila dito. And kami ni James, taga-video lang. Hindi namin kaya mag-ride. So, kami, supporting cast.
Videographer na.
Oo. Let's go! So, ito lang yung kaya namin ni Kaloy na ride. Plus the Jungle Cruise. So, dito lang kami makasama sa team.
Better off alone. I'm so happy when I'm sad, I make it up to you. 'Cause I just need to see what the hell it's supposed to mean, so I can make it better, make it good. That's just how
So, ito yung mga hindi na makatayo sa gastos. So,
Sa
magkano yung
gastos at sakit ng paa.
Oo, gastos at sakit ng paa.
Nalumpo ang credit card, nalumpo din ang paa.
So, ako ito yung mini-cover sa China, Eros, and Hisense. That's all. Ayoko na. Hindi ako gumastos ng ilang days tapos mga yung
Ano ka dami
pauwi
binili mo,
na.
Bray? Lahat ng
Wala na.
flavors? Binili mo?
Hindi ko ano lang masarap sa mata ko.
Lord, please, wag kang hindi
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Nakishoot ako pa siya.
Eh, kasi wala kang birthday noong September. Sama kami. Happy birthday to you. Thank you so much.
Kamusta ang pag-strategize dyan ng mga... Yeah. Yup. Ilang sweater yan? Ilang layers?
May isa pa ako dito.
Mabawasan lang yung 8 kg.
Gusto mo doble yung blip mo.
Init na init siya.
Ako sa loob.
Suot mo lang.
Init na init. Pagod off.
Hi vlog. Bye vlog.
Hi vlog. Tapos na kami. So that's it for our vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!
Ba?